Now, there are at least 12 pregnant schoolgirls at one school in Moiben in Uasin Gishu County. And there was drama as the parents of Cheplaskei Primary School demanded the removal of the headmaster, accusing him of condoning immorality at the school.
The twigs, placards and chants was to signify that they had had enough, that the road had not been smooth for these parents of Cheplaskei Primary and Secondary School. Their first stop was the head teacher's office. They lock his office with their own padlock. They want him out of the school, the parents say.
Sasa hii boarding alivyoanzisha pesa yote anachukua iwe sake. Tuko na secondary yenye serikali ametupatia pesa tumechenga form 1 hakuna tangu mwaka jana na mwaka hii.
Hii boarding primary ambayo imeanzishwa na Mr. Rongoe na walimu wake wangapi? Wawili. Wao ndio suppliers ya materials ya this boarding primary. Wao ndio accountants. Wao ndio they do from wanafanya he baga z watu watatu.
As confusion rocks the school, the students side with the teachers. They don't want the head teacher to leave the school, what almost becomes confrontational between the parents and teachers. The parents say they have written to the TSC sub-county office about the misuse of the school's office. The parents lamented that over 12 pupils are pregnant after engaging in love affairs with some of the teachers.
Ni tuko na dropouts ya wasichana standard 6, standard 7. Sasa hii boarding, hii dorms imeanza kuwa maternity. Tuko na watoto 12.
Has become a danger zone. Most girls have been transferred because the signs on the wall is that this has become a venue of prostitution, we want to call that.
However, when contacted on phone, the head teacher dismissed the allegations.
What we want to tell the ministry is that Rongoe must go.
The Uasin Gishu County Director of Education says the matter has not been brought to his attention and promised to investigate on the parents' grievances. Mercy Kandiye, KTN News, Eldoret, Uasin Gishu County.